Okay, hello everyone, this is Commodore Gamer, once again with another review. And today I bring you Shadow Dancer on the Commodore 64, and this is a sequel to classic old Shinobi games. Yeah, the Shinobi game was released in around 87 or something, and this Shadow Dancer was released in 89 on the arcade, and this conversion was released in 1991. So yeah, I really enjoyed Shinobi. I have reviewed some 4 different versions of that game. Check them out down in the description below. So here we are. I play as this dude here in white. And I died immediately there. Pretty crappy hit detection. I should try again here. It's very slow game. And the graphics is, it's alright. So I fire with my A button here. I use an Xbox One controller. So when I push up, if I hold down my fire button and then push upwards, I will jump up to the upper ledge there. I should try to time it. There we go. Oh shit, fuck. So this review will probably be about seeing me die a lot. Because it's that kind of game. It's pretty unfair. Fuck. And I'm not very keen when pushing upwards for doing the jump. I'm more into using a button. But I don't have a choice here, because this is a Commodore 64 game. Duck. Oh, once again I should try. Do my big jump here. That was close. And let's collect this. So if I push fire and then down, I will jump down. And if I hold down my fire button, I will send in my dog into combat. I should try that soon. I can show it now. If I push fire now, hold down fire, the dog will help me out, so I can shoot the enemy down easily there. Okay, let's jump down here. I'm just shooting. I don't know what's ahead of me, so they respawn sometimes here, so I have to be on the alert all the time. Okay, let's go down here. Okay, so fire and down. Okay, so there we are. That's the first level done. So it's not that easy actually. How do I get in here? Shall I just... Yeah, there you go. So my first impression is, yeah, it's a little bit frustrating. Shit. I must say it's. Let's send in my dog here. Get up there. There you go. Good dog. And I can send him in here because this is a tricky part. So go in there, boy or girl. And yeah, there you go. And come on, dog, go for it. Fuck! No, I died there. Yeah, I think it's a decent game anyway. Anyway, I mean it looks kind of decent. The levels are all right. It's very Shinobi-like game, but of course I prefer the Shinobi original Shinobi over this. I have tried the original arcade on the MAME emulator. Shit! I did the same mistake again there. Game over. Yeah, but I finished the first level, so it's not catastrophically bad anyway. But now it's back to the start again. No continues or anything here. So it's I mean, it's kind of frustrating. Can be pretty unfair. I don't know if I have the motivation to go on start from the beginning here, but I should give it a fair shot here. Get up there. Oof, jump. Oof, jump. Oh shit. So this will probably be a pretty short review. But I finished the first level, so I mean I'm all right with it anyway. So this came out on various systems like Amstrad, CPC, Sinclair, ZX Spectrum, Sega Master System, and a few more. I don't remember exactly what. It was the Mega Drive. Shit! Oh, that was a close one. Jump! There you go. Yeah, duck. Okay, let's go up here first and try to take out this fellow up here. There we go. Shit, duck. So one has to learn the pattern here. When he stands up, there, go up there and duck. No! I didn't know he was going to duck there. So is this my last life? Yeah, it's on time as well, and I died there. So 2 minutes limit. So it's pretty. I mean, this level is pretty short, so it's alright, but. And I can use some magic as well. There is magic, but it's better to spare the magic to when it's more critical. Shit, jump. That was close. Duck. Ooh. Now we're here again. Do I need to get up there? No, I don't need to get up there. I don't think so. So why should I go up there? Just a waste. Here I need to get up. To collect that and be ready if they respawn. Let's get down here. Yeah, we finished the first level again. Okay. So if there is any new viewers here, I would like to welcome you to this channel. Feel free to subscribe, comment if you like. And request any games if you have something in mind. Okay, come on. Get in there, doggy. Yeah. Get in there, doggy. Do it for me. There you go. Oh no! Damn it! Ah, game over. I forgot about him, that dude there. So there you go, Shadow Dancer on the Commodore 64. There you go. I have to write my name in a stupid arcade style here, but okay, I can do it. Is this end? Come on. Is this? There you go. 5th place, 13,750. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's a decent game, but pretty unfair, frustrating, not near the greatness of the arcade, but it's alright anyway. I will give it, what will I give it? I will give it a 5 out of 10. Between 5 or 6, but I don't go with 5.5 or anything, so 5 out of 10 it will be this time. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Like always, take care and have a good one. Goodbye.